Dear student, how are you? How do you do? Surely you are well, but I am so far so good. However, now we are see seeing a passage that I write down on the blackboard. Shravan Kumar is a teacher of Bijon High School. Next sentence. He lives in Dadroil. Then he went to Niyamatpur and he will buy a book. You see the cases. Shravan Kumar is a teacher of Bijon High School. He lives in Dadroil. He went to Niyamatpur. He will buy a book. Now a question to you student. What time does is verb refer to present, past and future? You see the passage attentively. We indicate the verb is, lives, when and will. First sentence, if we want to that I solve the question. First sentence, present tense. Second sentence, present tense. Third sentence, past tense. And last sentence, future tense. Dear student, you know or understand today's lesson is tense. Now we discuss about tense. We discuss about tense. Now question to you, dear student, what is tense? What is tense? Tense, where the tense referred to is verb, an action or state indicated by the verb. We know about the tense. Tense, what is time does is verb refer to present, past and future. Dear student, you know, according to time reference, tense there are three. There are three main tense. One number the present tense. The present tense. Number 2, the past tense. Number 3, the future tense. You know, dear student, each of these tense has 4 different aspects. Again say, each of these tense has 4 different aspects. They are one number simple, number 2 continuous, number 3 perfect, and perfect continuous. Again say, dear student, they are simple or indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. Now we practice simple or present indefinite tense. First to know or understand what is simple or indefinite tense. Simple or indefinite when a sentence referred to denotes and express an action in present, then these sentences are simple tense or indefinite tense. Now we practice some sentence or example in indefinite tense. Number 1, Biplab lives in Canada. It is example of simple sentence, simple tense, and indefinite tense. Biplab lives in Canada. According to structure, this is sentence is simple sentence. Biplab lives in Canada. Structure: subject plus main verb plus extension. Now we make this sentence in negative sentence. Dear student, we make this sentence negative sentence. Negative sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary verb do or does not plus main verb. Now we make this sentence negative sentence. Biplab does not live in Canada. Structure, according to structure, this sentence is negative sentence. Biplab does not live in Canada. We use in this sentence does because its subject is third person. So we use does. Now we make interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence structure. I write down on the blackboard. Do or does plus do oblique does plus subject plus main verb plus extension. Now we make the sentence interrogative sentence. Does Biplab live in Canada? Note of interrogation. Dear student, see the structure and understand the sentence. We first use does Biplab live in Canada. Now we make interrogative negative sentence. Interrogative negative sentence. Same structure, but after subject we use not. Does Biplab not live in Canada? We have discussed simple or indefinite tense. These sentences are simple tense in affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and interrogative negative sentence. Now we discuss about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? When a sentence differ, denotes or express an action in present but continued near future, then these sentences are or this sentence of present continuous tense. Now we practice some sentence. I write down a sentence. The boys are swimming in the pond. Present continuous tense. Structure: subject plus auxiliary verb am, is, are, main verb with ing extension. Structure: subject plus am, is, are plus main verb plus ing plus extension. Now we make this sentence negative sentence. The boys are not swimming in the pond. It is negative sentence. Structure: subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus main verb with ing and extension. Now we make the sentence interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, first we use auxiliary verb am, is, are. So here state are the boys swimming in the pond. It is interrogative sentence. We use note of interrogation. Now we make interrogative negative sentence. Now we make negative sentence. The boys are the boys not swimming in the pond. It is interrogative negative sentence. We use the sentence in position note of interrogation. Aren't the boys swimming in the pond? It is contracted note. It is contracted note. Aren't the boys swimming in the pond? We have discussed about present continuous tense. Surely, dear student, you understand what is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense structure and simple sentence affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence of structure. You understand? So now we discuss about present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense, when referred, denotes or express when the work has been done but its effect lasts. Again say, when the work has been done but its effect lasts. These sentences are present perfect tense. These sentences are present perfect tense. Now we some sentence practice on the board. Number 1. He has paid the bill. He has paid the bill. It is present perfect tense. Structure: first subject, second as auxiliary verb have, has, main verb paid, and extension. Now we make negative sentence. He has not paid the bill. He has paid the bill. Structure: the is tense same, but auxiliary verb tense. Now we make interrogative sentence. Has he paid the bill? It is interrogative sentence of present perfect tense. Now we make interrogative and negative sentence. Has he not paid the bill? Or hasn't he paid the bill? It is contracted not. Hasn't, it is contracted not. Dear student, we have discussed about what is tense, kind of tense, and present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. We have understand surely, must be understand. Homework for you. You make that I have discussed about the tense. You make three sentence, and then make negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and interrogative negative sentence. Today I discuss about tense. No more today. See you again and wish your good health. God save you to COVID-19. Thank you very much.